I am so unmotivated this week. It's week number 4. I'm ready to be done with the diet. I have to keep reminding myself, I've lost 15 pounds. I should keep going. I'm going to keep on doing it. In fact, there are 5 very specific things that have helped me make it through this far. Yeah, I've cheated, but we're not going to talk about that. And we're not going to talk about the chili festival. Okay, briefly on the chili festival. I tried 30 chilies. I was a judge. I had to try them. They were delicious. I don't regret it. I had a good time. I walked around a lot, burned some calories like that, but I do regret kind of throwing this week away. At the end of the day, I woke up the next morning and I weighed the same that I weighed at the beginning of this week, which means I made 0 progress this week. However, I think that's going to come off quickly, and I think I'm going to lose even more pounds because I'm motivated. I don't want to do it anymore. Surviving the diet. It's week number 4. Let go. You may or may not have noticed that I like to match my furniture. So this is my couch-inspired shirt. What do you think? So I wouldn't really call these tips or tricks. I just want to show you these 5 things that I found that have made it easier for me. It's not by any means going to replace the things that you love, but it's definitely going to make it easier to get through because they're tasty in their own right. And if you don't remember what like ranch tastes like, this ranch will do. So the first thing I want to tell you about is this yogurt dressing. I accidentally came across this in the grocery store, and it's like super low in calorie, and it's low in carb and low in sugar, which is really rare for a decent dressing. And cilantro avocado sounded pretty damn tasty. And you know what? It was pretty good. And in fact, it didn't feel like a diet dressing, which that's kind of the point, right? It shouldn't feel like you're eating diet dressing. If it's a different form, like a yogurt, and it's got cilantro and avocado, you know what? It was really good. In fact, I'll probably buy it after we all know I drop this diet and blow back up again. I'll probably still eat it. The second thing I found, and you may or may not know this, is I love tacos. And so in order for me to continue having tacos, I needed to find a solution. And I came across these corn tortillas that are super thin. They're not quite the corn tortillas you know and love, but they are corn, and they are tortillas, and they are just a little bit thinner. They're pretty tasty. They get the job done. They make me feel like I'm having tacos. Now I can do that and feel okay because 3 tortillas is 1 serving instead of 1 tortilla being like 80 calories or 80 carbs. This is like really low calorie, and I can have 3 tacos. And if you're gonna have tacos, you have 3 tacos. That's the rule, right? Everybody knows the rule? The 3 taco rule? Everybody knows. See? Everybody knows. Item number 3 is a bit controversial. This one has been known to cause cancer. Not this brand directly, not even this type of soda. But people say that diet soda is, a contributing factor to some forms of cancer. I don't drink a lot of it, but I have it with dinner every night. It's like a little treat. I love Cherry Coke Zero. It's delicious, and once you drink enough of it, you forget what real Cherry Coke tastes like, and that's good. That's what you want to do. I'm not a big soda drinker anyway. I just like it for dinner. It feels like a treat. It feels like, I'm having dinner. They are not endorsing me, by the way. However, if Coca-Cola wants to reach out, I wouldn't be opposed to that. And item number 4, you knew I had to find a way to get ice cream, and I found this Breyers Carb Smart ice cream, and it's actually not that bad. It's low in calories, it's obviously low in carbs, but it doesn't sacrifice taste for that. It's not ice cream. It helps me have that dessert feeling after dinner, and that's what this is. This is surviving the diet. These are things that are gonna help you get through with little tiny little sacrifices. And a Carb Smart Breyers vanilla ice cream bar is gonna make you happy enough. And the last thing that you can try, if you haven't, I don't know about you, but I was raised on these, and they are surprisingly low in a lot of things. Super low in carbs, super low in sugar. You can have a good amount of them to where you feel like you actually had a snack, but not a lot of people like to know they're eating the skin of a pig. If you haven't guessed by now, it's chicharrones, or pork skins. They're actually really tasty, and they're crunchy, and they feel like a snack. So it's like chips. You can have as many as you probably should have. And by the end of the bag, like the halfway through the bag, you're like, I think I'm done. that's you can have that because it's low in calorie and carbs and sugar. So if you're on a diet like me and you need something to just get you through that you maybe didn't know about, these 5 things kind of help me get day to day. When I have a salad, I go, ugh, nobody wants a salad, but the dressing's really good. And then I can have ice cream after dinner. I can have a soda to go with my dinner that are tacos with my tortillas. And I feel like I'm living a normal life. Everyone says dieting is a lifestyle. Well, it's not for fat people. I don't know what to say. It's not a lifestyle. It's a punishment. And I suffer every single day. And I know that at the end of it, it'll probably be worth it. I hope so. I know it sounds like I'm loving my diet so far. And if that doesn't convince you to go on a diet, then I don't know what will. But thank you guys for watching. I am, again, keeping steady, but not steady with weight loss. I'm homeostasis as far as my weight didn't move this week. I lost, a pound, and then I gained it right back. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below with something you'd like me to try. Maybe you have a special item that helps you get through diets that you don't think anybody knows about. Comment below. We can all benefit from your knowledge, so let us all know in the comments. How many times can I say comment in the last 30 seconds of this video?
Comments.
Comment below. After you like and subscribe.